Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 9-piece knife set. Now this is a nice block set. It has everything that you need for your kitchen in here. So I'm gonna go off through the different little things here. This is actually a little scissors. Now, when I say little, it is definitely not little, but it has a nice lock here at the top that you open up, and that way you can easily cut up things like chicken or even cutting open different things, but it allows you to easily grab that kitchen knife, and it has its own little hole there to be able to easily grab. You have your sharpener for any of the knives, so that's a nice handle that you can easily grab all of it. And these are all this nice Damascus steel. I mean, you can see it in here. That is a beautiful little pattern on here. And you've got a lot of different things. So you've got your paring knife, you've got just a regular bread knife, or sorry, a slicer knife. You've got a nice chef's knife. I mean, beautiful things. You actually have the serrated edges on here to be able to cut through different things. Whether you're using like utility knife, you've got your big old bread knife. These are always fantastic. The way that all those are nice and riveted, it just slices right through your bread. And of course, you've got another chef's knife up here. So they're all different sizes here. You've got your 8-inch and your 7-inch knife. But just to show you how well these actually cut, I'm actually gonna use a little paring knife, and I got a cucumber here. Oh, that went a lot easier than I even expected. So that cut, I mean, barely any effort. Like I'm pushing down with like 3 fingers, and it is chopping that right up. So that is great. Of course, when you get up to the bigger knives, I mean, it just cuts through like butter. So that is amazing. It allows you to get a real thin, clear cut. These would be fantastic in any kitchen. This Damascus is absolutely beautiful. The handle is nice and solid. These would be great knives in any kitchen or restaurant.